Achiel kuom piny ma bende wadhiye, piny mabor kabisa, gin Southeast Asia, wantiere e piny mar Lao, kata kamano dhi tang'onwa kaka iloso chiemo mawuok e pinjego. Pinje mopogore opogore, wadhi loso kode gi dho Kisungu, koro kawuono ni boma nang'wono nikech wabobedo ka wa mix languages. How do you say good morning?
Sabadi ton sao.
Sabadi?
Sabadi ton sao.
Sabadi. Thank you. And your name is?
My name is Gail.
Gail.
Yes.
Gail. Gail. Jael. So what are you making today?
Today I want to show you, I want to make the spring roll.
Spring roll.
Spring roll, some other word that some people they call the waist roll. The
Okay.
waist roll, and then we put, we have the rice paper and we soak in the water kidogo.
Oh, you know a little Swahili.
Yeah. And then we put here, and then we put some water mint, and then there's some.
That's some mint, and then
What is that? Cabbage.
cabbage.
And we put here, and then we put some carrot slice. Yeah. Some cucumber. This one I put some pork mint.
This pork meat.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pork mint, and then put here. We put some dhania. And then rice noodle. The rice noodle.
Okay. So that is pre-cooked. It's already cooked.
Yeah, this is ready cooked and put here. And
Then
now
you roll it.
we have to do little part
Okay.
with the Thai because we don't need it gum.
Sticky.
Close it and then we roll. Roll here.
And it's ready.
It's ready.
That's a quick one.
Yep.
So what you need to cook here is the noodles
The noodle, yes.
and the...
Then the meat, some meat, and then some vegetable, and then this one.
Okay. But these ones are fresh. You didn't
All the
cook
fresh,
these ones. Yeah.
everything fresh.
The rice paper is bought.
The rice paper is cooked already.
Okay. So
Ready, and then
just remove one so we see it.
the rice paper.
Yeah. So that's a rice paper. Then you soak it in water for it to become
Yeah.
light. Okay.
A little bit. Can roll it.
So this is one of the foods that we make
Yep.
with different toppings.
The
Toppings.
different topping, yes.
So one of them is the pork meat.
Yeah.
What's that?
This one, the chicken one. This
Or chicken.
one.
Okay. So somebody decides the kind of meat that they want
Yes.
inside.
And then we have some tofu. Here also the tofu for the waste, 100% the waste.
Okay. Okay. But the vegetables, you do any of the vegetables. Now somebody decides if they want chicken,
Yes.
if they want pork,
Yes.
or if they want tofu. But the process is the same.
Yes, pork is the same.
Very quick, very nice. Is this one of the food that is liked in your country?
My food, in the country, we like to eat the noodle, and then we want to cook the other one we call the pad thai.
Pad thai. Pad thai.
Let me go show you how
So we can go and look at the pad thai.
Here we put some onion, kidogo, and then we do
This is
the
chicken.
kuku.
Kuku pia kidogo ama mingi. So this is another of the foods that is loved in your country. Owacho nyinge lakini okanya paro, wabo manang'iyo to wang'iyo.
The red curry, this one.
I see you guys are big on vegetables. You like
And then we put
vegetables.
some green bean, kidogo. There's some zucchini, little bit, and some
Red pepper.
black pepper. And then we do put the curry plate.
What's that?
The curry plate, the red curry.
Okay.
one we put here Tedo. And then we can eat.
Is this also chicken?
This is tofu.
Oh, this is the tofu.
Oh. You can taste. And then we put little bit water. Yeah.
It looks more of curry.
We have to cook, keep around 2 minutes for the vegetable, for the cooking.
Okay.
And for the cook for 2 minutes. And then we put the coconut milk.
Also kidogo. Everything you're putting is kidogo.
Because we like this. Probably in the market is a half.
And this is?
This is basil.
Okay.
And then we put the basil.
That also cooks with it.
Now it's ready. It's cooking.
Oh.
You want to taste?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's very fast.
Yes. Here for you.
Thank you. Very nice. It's very nice.
And then we can put the place.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what do you cook? What do you eat it with? It's with rice or noodles.
Here we put here. Ready?
That's very nice. It smells very nice. So let me try it. Now we are going into noodles. Joma ng'eyo ahinya ochalo chicken curry. There's some, pili-pili.
Pili-pili, kidogo. And then we have some...
What you say is kidogo. For us is mingi.
Mingi.
It's good.
It's good. We have lemongrass, galanka, onion, garlic inside.
That's in this paste?
Yes.
It's very nice. It's very nice. Okay, so next?
Next, I want to do the pad thai. The pad thai, we put little bit tofu. And this is, I want to do chicken pad thai.
Okay.
And then this is chicken.
This?
Yes, I need some.
These are now rice noodles.
The rice noodle.
Okay.
The rice noodle.
Your noodles and the noodles in Kenya,
Different.
very different.
This one we make from the rice.
Okay, from rice itself. Ours is made from wheat, I think.
No. This one rice. From
This
the
one is rice,
Yeah.
but ours, wheat.
Wheat.
Yes.
Omoko. Chicken omoko. And then we put the noodle. And some,
Water.
and then some water, little bit. So make sure everything is cooked. The noodle is cooked, chicken also cooked.
This is already cooked.
It's a half, 50-50.
Oh, 50-50.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we put the sauce. This is pad thai sauce.
Okay. So this is what now gives it the name.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is pad thai sauce. We make
What is in the sauce?
This is with tamarind. Tamarind.
What's that?
The tamarind sauce.
Oh, okay.
Tamarind sauce, and then I put some sesame.
Okay.
Same, yeah.
Sesame oil or sesame seeds?
Sesame seeds.
Seeds, okay. Same.
Yeah, same, and then here, this is 1 spoon.
That also smells nice. Is it the sauce?
And then we have to wait for the sauce is gone down
Okay.
little bit, and then we put the mayai. We smash. The mayai we want to cook look like scrambled egg
Scrambled eggs, yes. Oh, on the side.
on the side.
Then now you're going to mix it all.
Then we mix on.
Okay. I love the color. Color is looking very nice.
Thank you.
But also the smell of the sauce. Nice. Okay.
And we wait for the egg is cooked. And then we put some bean sprout, little bit.
Okay.
This one they call Joseph, other name Chai.
Chai.
Chai,
The lemongrass.
No, not lemongrass. This one not lemongrass. Look like a garlic leaf, but not
Oh,
the garlic leaf.
okay.
This one the Joseph. They call the Joseph.
Okay.
We put here. And we cook together. And then we put some peanuts.
Ground peanuts, yeah?
Yes. We mix together. Now it's done.
Oh. Ready. Nice. Just a little.
Here, we put the plate here. Serving with some chili powder,
Okay.
that side. And then some lemon.
Okay. On the side.
And then some peanut.
Also on the side. This is a full meal. You eat and you are full the whole day.
Yes.
Yeah.
We eat that the whole day.
Yeah.
Because we have everything inside here. If
Yeah,
you have the
yeah.
rice, some chicken or some tofu, we have some protein inside here.
Everything in. Very nice. Thank you. And I don't know how to use a chopstick.
You don't know.
All this is going to fall. Yeah, that will be better. Thank you. But you'll teach me.
Okay, sure.
So I'm supposed to squeeze the lemon on top?
Yeah.
Okay.
You taste first and then you put lemon later.
Okay. Let me try.
You like to shower, then you can put more.
Wow. It's sweet. It's sweet.
Sweet, little sour.
But now if you want it to be more sour,
Okay.
you do. Okay. Wow. It's very nice. And
And chili.
pili pili. I'll try kidogo
Try, okay.
so that I don't cough it all.
Okay. Spicy.
Yeah, that's going to be very spicy. Wow.
It's good.
Mm-hmm.
And you put some more chili and it's good.
But it's still good. Without lime, without chili. Yeah. It's very good. Perfect. Ma watieko godo e mesani en chiemo machielo mabende ong'ere e pinje mag Asia go. Iluongo ni dumplings. Dumplings. That's now. You're going to show us,
Yeah.
first of all, what they look like and what's inside.
Yeah. This one the chicken, this one the pork one.
Okay.
We make with the wheat flour.
So we have wheat flour.
Yes.
And
And then inside there we put some
so the wheat flour, you add water, then you
and
need.
the water, and then I have to make dough by myself.
Okay.
And then everything here inside here the homemade.
Okay.
The homemade.
So after you've made the wheat flour, you're going to cut it?
Yeah, I have to cut it and then cut it one by one, and then I have to roll one by one.
Okay. Then
Roll with my hand.
so the chicken that's inside there is
Yeah.
like the chicken we used, that one.
Different. This one very different. We make the face from the chicken meat. This one we make with the wheat flour and make the chicken meat. We put some little cabbage, some little vegetable.
Okay.
And then garlic, ginger inside, some onion or something inside there, and then with the soya sauce inside. And then this one we serving with the sauce. This one soya sauce, the homemade. This is my soya sauce.
Oh, you make it from home?
Yes.
Okay.
You can taste it.
So,
And then we have spicy sauce also. This one. This one spicy sauce.
oh, to go with these.
Yeah.
But these are the dumplings is,
This one the pork one.
that is pork.
Yeah.
It's okay, I'll taste this one.
Okay.
But,
you can taste this one and pork and chicken. How
Okay.
is it?
so after you take the wheat flour ngano, you put the toppings inside, then you put it here for steaming.
Yes.
You can also fry?
We can fry also.
Okay.
We can
So
fry with the pan.
or depends what the customer wants, yeah. But
when the customer want, and then we fry it for them.
so it's frying our thing. Is that something from Thailand? Do you also fry
Yeah,
over?
yeah.
Okay. Okay. So dumplings.
Yep.
How long does it take to steam?
This one we have to take steam around 15 minutes.
Okay.
Make for sure the meat inside the cook.
This one tastes better. Tastes better than the one at the shops.
And then we have the spicy sauce also. Here the spicy sauce is not too spicy. It's not too spicy because we have to make for the Nairobi. For Nairobi people. And then for Motuku. It's not too spicy. You can take the spicy one.
Why Nairobi people?
Because Nairobi people, we don't like spicy.
Okay.
Yes.
But it has pili pili.
Yes, pili pili with dhania, garlic inside.
Okay.
Yes.
What time on it?
You can try first, little bit. Not too spicy.
Not too spicy. But spicy.
But spicy, yes.
This is the best.
Okay.
This one is very nice, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah.
That's why I said the some spicy or we people here we
Mild.
don't need too spicy. Some-
But you say spice is good for the stomach.
but it's not too much.
Not too not too much, okay. So thank you very much. I'm going to finish eating these. But you're here in Nairobi, and where are you located? Where do you make your food for anyone who wants to maybe come and try some Thai food?
I'm living in the Lavington, behind the Lavington Mall. When who want only order delivery,
Okay.
home delivery. have to call me 2 hours before. Sometimes I'm not at home because the homemade.
Okay, but it's very nice.
Thank you.
Thai food. Thanks very much for having us.
you.
How do we say thank you?
ขอบคุณค่ะ ขอบใจเด้อ
Okay, that's a lot. But thank you very much for having
Thank you
us.
too.
Thank you for taking us through your cuisine and your very, 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 very nice dishes. We thank you so much. Aya, mano watieko gi piny ma Thailand. Pod wabodhi nyime. Ng'enyne kendie gik ma gihero gin alode, mchele ntiere kanyo, kato koro ge gweno matin tin ma gitiyo godo. Ageno ni puonjori gimoro ma inyalo temo. Iwacho ni samoro bende wuoge mari mihero kata ming'iyo godo pile ka pile mondo item kit chiemo machielo. Nyako odiochieng' machielo, chiemo machielo ma Tedo Gi Chiemo nyinga Jailieta.